Taking a look at Litecoin from the previous update, we can see that Litecoin is holding up exceptionally well. Bitcoin did just make a new low, but Bitcoin made a new low without Litecoin selling off. We can see that Litecoin is continuing to make a series of higher lows, which would imply that people are actually buying Litecoin. Now, in my opinion, you can see from the recent high in 2021 to the low in 2022, Litecoin is getting stuck at the 618 retracement of about $140. So if Litecoin is unable to break this price and Bitcoin continues to move to the downside, Litecoin will actually catch up and have a very large move to the downside, as we saw back in 2023. However, if Litecoin is able to break through $140, then there should actually be a very large rally up to 170, because if you take your fib to this high here, you can see the 618 is 170. Now as support, you can see from this high down to the low that $97 is your 382, which is where we have the green box. And the reason that it's a box is because if you pull your fib back to this level, you can see the 382 is down at $86, which we already hit. However, the reason it's a box is because you can see that every single candle close is inside of the box. However, not every, or excuse me, it's inside or over the box. However, these wicks are below the line, so it's not going to be a perfect level to watch. As I pull this back, you can see the 382 right here. So generally, as long as Litecoin is in the box, which is at or above $97 to $100, we would argue that Litecoin is bullish for a move up to 170. If Litecoin falls below the green box or $97, then obviously on a candle close, we would be looking for $68. That is pretty much it. None of this is financial advice.